জনাব সৈয়দ নিজামউদ্দিন সাহেবকে ফুল পুষ্পস্তবক দিয়ে আমাদের বিশিষ্ট পীর আল্লামা শেখ সাইফুদ্দিন সিদ্দিকী আল কুরাইশি মাদ্দাজুল আলী Thank you. I'll request Syed Muhammad Taqiyuddin Ali to give the bouquet to our chief guest, Professor Sugato Bose. I'll request Professor Amit De to give bouquet to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sheikh Zamia, Professor Abu Talib Khan. Now I will request Pirzada Al-Haj Maulana Muhammad Imran Siddiqui to give bouquet to our keynote speaker, Professor Kamal Farooq Jibril Mahmood from Al-Azhar University, Cairo, Egypt. Now I will request Syed Sajjad Hussain to give bouquet to our honorable guest, Sheikh Mansoor Abdul Baqi Al-Bukhari. I'll request Sayyid Muhammad Wajihuddin to give bouquet to our honorable Professor Tonique Stewart. I'll request Suhana Ali to give bouquet to our honorable Professor Margaret Hunt. Now I'll request Muhammad Ajmatullah Siddiqui to give bouquet to our honorable Professor Dietrich Rich. I'll request Qazi Ramiz Ahmed to give the bouquet to our honorable Professor Brian Hatcher. I'll request Syed Mehtabuddin to give a bouquet to our professor, honorable Professor Muhammad Abdul Wadud from Bangladesh. Afia Fayuz. Now I will request Pirzada Al-Haj Maulana Tayyib Siddiqui Sahib to give a bouquet to Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahidul Islam Noori from Bangladesh. Now I'll request Sayyid Bahauddin Sahib to give a bouquet to our honorable president of this program, Professor Amit De. Now I will request Pirzada Maulana Muhammad Imran Siddiqui to give a bouquet to our Honorable Qari Nizamuddin Sahib. Thank you so much.